Consumer Priority Service covers every kind of electronic product and appliance that you have in your home, apartment, or business. We cover over 60 categories of products, including smartphones, laptops, tablets, TVs, monitors, cameras, drones, gaming consoles, furnitures, jewelry, home appliances, fitness equipment, power tools, tires, and much, much more. What does the Consumer Priority Service Standard Extended Warranty cover? This standard extended warranty includes 100% parts and labor coverage. This warranty covers any and all hardware failure, so long as it was not caused by accidental damage. Consumer Priority Service offers accidental protection for portable products. Our Accidental Warranty Protection Plan covers accidental drops, spills, hardware failure, and free two-way shipping in the U.S. Whether it is a mobile phone, laptop, drone, or any other portable product, you've come to the right place. For major appliances, TVs, and furniture, CPS offers in-home service. If your product malfunctions, we will assign a local manufacturer authorized service center to complete repairs from the comfort of your own home. If we cannot repair your product, we will provide you with a check for the replacement value of your product. Consumer Priority Service Warranty offers 24/7 claim filing. File a claim online at any time. Real-time updates. Track your claim on the client portal. Factory authorized repairs. CPS has the largest factory authorized service network in the industry. Contact CPS by giving us a call at 800-905-0443 and get started with 3 months of warranty coverage on your appliance, laptop, smartphone, and all your other products. Visit us on the web at www.cpscentral.com.